Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something really cool. So I'm not entirely sure which one it is until we get into it, because it's Main Street Treats Company. We have ordered 3 total boxes from them. One of them, the United States Postal Service decided they wanted to eat it more than I did, because that one actually never made it all the way here, and so she had to start all over with that one. That one was Rice Krispie box, and then we have another one called Spoonful of Sugar. That could be it, and we also ordered a coffee one. So, well, let's see what we're gonna do here. So that coffee one is not a morning person. I forgot to, yeah. So, we're gonna see which one this is. It's pretty heavy. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out right now. Alright, so let's get into this and see what we're dealing with. Then I can tell you how much it costs once I know what it is. If you haven't checked out Main Street Treat Company, they are on Facebook, and it's Main Street Treat Co. C-O. And they also have a Facebook group, Hey Mickey Hey. Alright, so they always put their little card in here. I'll put a better picture, boop, right there for that. They gave us a map to Magic Kingdom, which is always cute to browse over. Check that out, see if there's any changes. And then we've got a little bit of confetti in here. Oh, I see treats. Alright, I know which one this is. Okay, so this is Main Street Treat Company Sorcerer's Rice Krispie box. This was $39.99 plus shipping. And this is looking really good. So they struggled this summer with all the heat, with some snacks melting. This doesn't look like it's been melted at all. This looks amazing. So this is a Mickey Head Rice Krispie treat, chocolate and covered in candies. Oh, that's soft. Awesome. So these come right from the parks. They go down there, they get them themselves, they ship them to you. That's how it works. This is legit Main Street, real Disney snacks. I will throw this in the photo box, boop, and then I'll throw it in my mouth after I'm done recording, unfortunately. With all the other treat boxes that are Disney inspired, we try to rate them and put that down below. There is no need for that with these. You know what Disney treats are. If you don't, you should order these and find out, because you'll know why people want to buy treats from Disney. They're good at what they do. Alright, so that's that one. Then we have a chocolate, same thing, but it's smaller candies on it. These are all in just perfect shape. They're all super soft. Throw that in the photo box. Boop. Oh. And another one of those. So there's 2 of those. And there are 3 of the other kind. So there's 5 Rice Krispie treats in here. Man, these are not going to make it through the night. They better sleep with one eye open. Oh, that's so cool. And then there's an ice pack in here, which did not make the trip, but the point of it is to help get the snacks out of Florida. So, and it did. It worked. We're in Nevada. It's very warm here. It's been not as bad as recent. It's been like 90s, but all these are in perfect shape. So that's awesome. 40 bucks, 5 treats brought to my door. I didn't have to go to Disney myself and get them. Maybe someday I can again. I really want to go to Disney. I'm missing it super bad. All right, so we have one more thing I wanted to show you today. We are members of D23, and we recently got our second magazine, 23 magazine. The first one knocked our socks off. It is probably the most beautiful magazine I've ever seen. I know that sounds silly, but it really is. the content is amazing, and the photography, it's just laid out really well, and I wanted to share this one with you as well. I haven't even opened it yet, so we'll open it together, and let's take a look at what we've got. Alright, so they always ship them in these big cardboard box, I guess, covering, just to protect the corners and stuff, because a lot of people really love to collect these, and I can see why. This is definitely going to be a coffee table magazine if I don't slice it with a knife. No promises. Promise. Ready? Alright. First look. It's wrapped in plastic. It's in perfect shape. These things are just unbelievable. Let me get this plastic wrap off for you. Alright, so we've got the magazine, and then this other thing that was in here with it. This is postcards. I'll just rip these open real quick. So we've got Fantasyland. Boop. Sunset Boulevard. Boop. American Waterfront. Boop. Discoveryland. Boop. These are really nice. Mystic Point. Boop. Treasure Cove. Boop. And then just the cover for it. Super cool to have little collectibles. You can either put them up on a pin board or frame them or do something, or mail them to somebody. I mean, they're postcards, right? So that's cool. And then this bad boy. So I'm not going to sit here and page through the whole thing, but let me see if I can pick out a couple quick pages just to give you an idea of what kind of stuff. There's stories about, you know, like when they built the parks. Oh. So this is Walt on the train that he originally had in his yard. Check that out. You all know I'm a huge Walt fan. These are just, it's a, you know, a lot about the history, a lot about the future, about what's going on. Just, this is stories on all the different castles. I mean, look at that photography. It's just incredible. Maybe I'll take a couple quick pictures and let you roll through them real quick. Boop. Yeah, right now you're looking at all the castles in Disney's around the world, and we'll just scroll through those so you can check those out, because it's just amazing. So if you're not a D23 member, you should think about it. It's pretty inexpensive. It was $100 for one person, or I think it was $140 for a family of 4. It gets you discounts. It gets you the yearly gift, which is, there's a video, you can look back in our video history, it's in there, of us unboxing it. This quarterly magazine, and they give you different merch that you can only buy if you're a D23 member, and then also all of the expos. The D23 expo, there's so many meets you can go to, and you're eligible because you're a member. So yeah, that's it. Awesome treat box, awesome magazine that I'm going to sit down and read right now. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, it's right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.